This is the welding machines that to give you an idea. Unsa ning 140? Angi.
140. Unsa ni boss? 140 amperes.
140 amperes is for 12,499.75.
Inverter type.
This is the inverter type which we can plug in direct and switch to 20. Switch. Plug in direct. So this is the 160 amperes is 14,499.75. The 200 amperes is 17,999.75. Kani 200 cc amps gyapon ning 200 do.
Oh, mana yung amperes ma'am?
That's still 200 amperes inverter 20,499.75.
Stainless.
Stainless this one.
Stainless na siya kani sa Arc sa putkaw.
Oh, ang tigay kuan man stainless.
Kung mag-arc ka diri mo stainless ni kanina mag-arc ka diri.
So easier to adjust unlike the kana inverter plasma cutter. Cut part.
Pwede po siya welding. Pwede po siya pag-cutting.
So you can cut and as well as weld.
Cutting rin no? Cutting rin
Plasma cutter? Cutter ani?
Kana tig mo yung welder.
Kani welder o stainless?
Stainless. Gamit ka ng tig, kailangan ka kasi tigil gas. Argon gas.
So if you want to use the TIG, you need acetylene and gas. This one, the cutter is 24,999.75. This one, 250 B2 Eagle brand, 6,999.75. That's 7,000. Mura na yung capacity, 250 amps is small, no?
Oh nya, paano siya ma'am? Kanang dili ni siya inverter.
Normal. So yung adto pa ka, you have to go to the breaker.
May ano na breaker ni siya.
Kanino old type gyapon dong no. Para ani no? Kani mga Arc welder 250. This one is 14,999.75. The 315 amperes 16,999.75. The 500 amps is 30,499.75. 315 25 499.75. You got 300 amps. This one is 500 amps. So that's why it's 30,499.75. This is 25,499.75. So there again is the same 500 amps, 30,499.75. These are the other brand, Creston, made in Taiwan. For the inverter, this is only 140 amps. It's a portable welding. Another 140 amps from Creston is 10,499.75. 160 amps inverter, steel welder, 12,400. This is 200 amps, 8699.75 is still inverter from Creston. Creston normal direct to the breaker, 200 amps, 8899.75. This one 250 amps, 9599.75. This one Creston,
Copper na siya kanina. Copper niya kanang foil type niya.
foil type.
Copper.
Copper nga kuan. This is a foil type, 599.75, almost 6,000 pesos actually. This one is 64999. That's 250 amps. And they got the there The Arc welder. The Arc welder. Presyo, pa 11,499.75. The 315 amps, 12,499.75. May 500 amps. Ikaw rin ingon dong?
16,999.75.
16.75. Copper gapon ni.
Copper ni siya ma'am.
Copper welder 315
Ni
amps.
coil na yung minani nga color.
Oo.
Copper ni siya.
Ay naingandong ay copper. This is 16,999.75. The 500 amps,
Copper yapon, so 24,999.
24,999. Nya kanigang
Ito yung charger na dyan.
charger mo dai ni kanino mga 200 amps inverter which is direct plug-in na ni siya. 14,799.75. The 200 amps.
Paano yapon, dili ni siya paano breaker ni siya.
Breaker gyapon and adili na siya kuan.
Inverter. Pwede rin na siya
Welding.
energy saving mo, pwede mo ni siya. Kapasabot na energy saving kay pwede ni siya mo direct kag 220 but pag mo mga appliances mo.
You have to turn off all your appliances if you're gonna use this direct, the inverter type like this one. Kanino mga inverter type mga gagmay dun no. So you have to turn off your appliances when you're gonna use this. Bisa gami kaning 140 ra do? Turn off
Ano
di
siya?
ba?
Inverter gyud na.
Lagi. Turn off yung tanan.
Siya mo turn off.
Imong mga appliance.
Adi kaning inverter ma'am, dili gini siya i-turn off kay direct lang sa 220 so wala siya kas nga kuan. Wala siya kas nga quality. Unlike atong kanin.
Kana. This one you can just plug it in like a appliance. That one kana energy saving. 200 amps manggod siya ga no. Only 200 amps above.
Ay, din maguba ang mga fuse anang kuan TV.
So if you
mo maguba.
so about 200 amps mo off jud ka sa tanang kuan.
Mo gamit kani pero
Inverter
for the safety
type.
lang, breaker lang jud.
Breaker na lang connect. So this one it's portable that you can also this type you can put it on the breaker direct or the plug in to the 220 plug.